So we have a package here to unbox. And of course, my friends want to pop in my video. Like, this is my bestie that's always around. So we got ourselves some coffee pods. I basically order all of these. There is like a gift inside.
For who?
For Justin. I can't remember what it was though.
For me?
Yeah, because I've ordered this a while and it's just been sitting there. Because I haven't had the time to open it up. Now, if you're a big fan of Starbucks,
Then where's mine?
I would suggest get involved in getting an espresso because it's way cheaper. Even though it's expensive, it's way cheaper if you do the math. So this is the gift they send. What is it?
Chocolate.
For who?
Me.
Okay, so now he has that. He'll allow me to do this video now. Oh, it's dark chocolate from Nespresso. Thank you. Yummy. First things first, I'm gonna go through my Starbucks pod. I got this one. It is the Blondie, Starbucks Blondie Espresso. This one. I have loved this one in the past, and now that I've seen Nespresso has it, I'm getting it. I think I got it last time too. I can't remember. I love making my... No, the other one I got is this espresso roast. For some reason, I just like my coffee being like this toasty kind of taste. Sometimes like nutty and fruity too. So that's why I have a mixture of different pods. I could like make my own little Starbucks drink. Next, I got Orafio, and this has malted cereal notes. Oops. I love how this one tastes too. Very, very creamy. I love making iced coffees with this. It works well with hot coffee as well. Next we have, speaking about iced coffee, is the Lajero. I hope I'm saying this right. This one is iced as well. This one's mostly only for ice, as you can see. This one's really, really good. So it's starting to get warmer now, and I do drink iced coffee all year long, but you know, when you want it to really hit that iced coffee spot. This one is so good. This one is strawberry white chocolate, and it literally has that taste of strawberry and white chocolate. So good. Oh my god, these pods makes me want to drink coffee all day long. Next one is one of my favorite as well, pistachio vanilla flavor. Obsessed with this one. Truly obsessed. The next one I have is Espresso Cheerio. This one's good too for iced coffee. And you see these pods are so cute. Guys. Next I have is the Blanco Piccolo. This one I used to drink a lot. And then I paused for a little because I got tired of it. But I decided to try it again. So love this one too. To be honest, I love all the pods so far. I was so scared of trying, I can't remember which one. It was a hazelnut. And that's before I haven't tried Starbucks hazelnut coffee. And then I really enjoyed it. I really started to love it. And then I would get one from Starbucks occasionally. Trust me, sometimes you do feel like you want somebody else to make your coffee for you. But why I prefer making my coffee by myself, I'll tell you at the end. And then this one is Elizio. This one is like intense. Like if you're having like the worst night, you didn't sleep all day, all night, you couldn't do anything. This one gives you tons of energy next day. So that's why I have this one. And I only because I don't want to be like too caffeinated, if you know what I mean. Next, I have maple pecan. This was one of the ones I was so scared to try too. But honestly, this is one of the best ones I would really enjoy during the fall season. But I was craving it a little, so I was like, let me just get a sleeve and then I can like make it whenever I'm craving it. Because there's 10 pods in here. Doesn't mean I'm gonna finish all in one go. Then I have golden caramel. Oh my god, this one is so good, especially when it comes to iced coffee drinks. So good, so delicious. It has this caramel taste. You don't have to like add any like syrup and so on that much because it's so good. My mic is like upside down. Next I have is the roasted hazelnut. And this one is amazing too. I think that's all of them. This one is so amazing. I'm obsessed with this one too. It's so yummy and delicious, just like Starbucks. You just need to know how to make it. So why I've been making my own coffees at home is because I get to customize what I want to put in it. Yeah, you can do that at Starbucks, but then it's like every time you're going there and like you're like, you know, making these customs and then it's like more. It's like $10, $12, and then it's like $10, $12 for one sleeve of this, and there's 10 pods. So you're saving a lot when you invest in an espresso. And you can, like, as I said, customize it how you want. I would add high protein milk. They don't have that there. They do have almond and oat milk and so on. Those I sometimes intervene in my routine. I don't really put sugar in my coffee. I would put like a little syrup here and there. But if I do put sugar, it'll be like a little teeny drop. So it's like customizing those things on your side. It's really, really good. And especially if you're like dieting, you're like working on your fitness goals. So staying away from Starbucks drink is a plus, and making it your own is also a plus. And also you're saving tons of money, even though I spend like about $200 on these. It still works out better in the long run. Let me know if you guys would like to see me making one of these drinks like in the future. I usually do make for my reels like little morning videos, but if you'd like me to go into in-depth step-by-step process, just let me know. And also Starbucks, sorry. So at this point, basically, Nespresso needs to be sponsoring me because I'm always sharing their coffees. I'm always like hyping it up, buying it. So you know what? They need to come and sponsor your girl. So drop a comment down below if you think I should be sponsored by Nespresso. Hi guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm probably gonna try one of the new ones that I've got. Most of them I think I've had before. Yeah, I'll probably make one. I'm gonna head out soon to the gym, so this will keep me up and will get me through my routine. That's also one of the things that I've enjoyed with my coffee. It's like it powers me through my workout. So yeah, maybe I'll do that. So I decided to make myself some coffee. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this one. This one is, guys, guess which one this is. I'm not gonna be saying it, but I love this one so much. It's one of my go-to drink at Starbucks. If I do get a Starbucks. I mean, who don't get a Starbucks here and there? So I made this one. So good. And my skin is glowing. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like. Really means a lot. Comment if you can. You can just say hi. And maybe share my video to anybody that you feel like will be interested in seeing my content or would like to buy an espresso. So yeah, if they really love coffee.